You popularly know me as Spratz. I'm in town. Yes, I'm in town today to answer some few questions my students are asking. Many are still wondering how I'm able to combine chords to certain melodies instantly without thinking. In order to flow with chord melody, you should have a complete control over your board. What does it mean to have a complete control over the board? Assuming I'm in the key of F, then I know this is my F full chord, F at E, then F at D. It should have been this, and that's difficult, so I prefer this. And then F at C, F at A, F at G, back to F at E. So I know I have 1, I have 2, I have 3, I have 4, and I have 5. So what I have to do is to try and learn my scales first in every shape. So here, I have to learn my major scale. Re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, re, mi, fa. This is just one, maybe I'll learn here. Yes, you can just follow the notes on the diagram and you'll be okay. And when I come here, I have to learn the scales do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. So I know when I'm here, then I can have some line to solo with. And I can extend it. You understand me? And when I come here, I can learn do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi. The full scale around this area, I should know it. So, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi. Alright, and then to the other shape. Re, mi, fa, sol. Re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. And then to this shape. Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Ti, la, so. So, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol. And then this is the shape I started with. Yes, so that's the first thing. And then the next thing I'm going to treat today is to find out your standard chord sequences around every territory. What do I mean? If I am here, where is my 1, where is my 2, my 3, my 4, my 5, my 6, my 7? I know readily that this is my 1, this is my 4, this is my 5. Alright, when I'm here, I know that this is my 1, my 4, 5, 1, my 4, 5, 1, my 4, 5, 1. Alright, and you find your 2, 3, 6 and others. Yeah, the simplest way out is to learn the standard chord sequences in F from the nut to the bridge. What do I mean? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So when you get a melody, then you don't have to think twice. You know what to do. That's the simplest and the easiest way out. Let me give you an example with a simple melody like this. One of my favorite songs from Ghana. Inije Sem Kesi. Mi so so fa mi re fa fa mi re do. Mi so so fa mi re fa fa mi re do. I just play this in the C shape of F. I can do the same thing here in maybe the D shape of F. Do re mi fa so fa mi re fa fa mi re do. Okay, I'm gradually getting to know my board. Then I come to the A shape of F. And I do the same thing. Mi so fa mi re fa fa mi re do. And I come to the G shape of F and do the same thing. Mi so fa mi re fa fa mi re do. Then back to the E shape of F. Mi so fa mi fa fa mi re do. And so on and so forth. I can explore this melody throughout the board and find out which chords I can form on them. Alright. So for mi, so, so, fa, mi, re, fa, fa, mi, re, do. On the mi, I can form the first chord here. Mi, and on the so, I'm going to find out the other chord. So, this is so. But if you mature with chord melody, then this will not be the right so. You would have to find inversions or other chords whose last note will be that melody you are looking for. So, so, I could go in on this F7, first inversion. And the so here is my last note. So, mi, so, or I can go, the mi can be an A minor. Mi, so, and the so can also be a diminished 7. So. All that I'm interested is the harmony and my last note. I should hear the melody within the harmony. So I can do mi, so, with a diminished, or mi, so. This is my favorite. Fa, I can play B flat, fa, or fa. I'll go this way. A minor 7th, whose last note is the fa, mi, re. So mi, so, fa, mi, re, fa, mi, re, do, re, fa, mi, re. And I form the chord on the re, do. This is it. And you explore. Do you understand me? So, mi, so, fa, mi, re, or re. All the chords that I form, the re should be the last one I play. Re, or re, fa, mi, re, do. As simple as that. So you can try this. You want me to continue, right? I think this is enough. If you are looking for further studies, hey, I'm Pastor George and you probably know me as Georgespratz. I'm in town. In case you're looking for a one-on-one online lessons, Zoom lesson, hey, pick the numbers on the screen and let's do it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. You have to also press on the notification bell so the moment we upload any new video, you don't miss it. See you again and soon. Bye-bye.